Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have admin access and a list of active VPN apps. Start now by disabling the kill switch in the VPN client so you won't lose connectivity. Next, sign out of the VPN account and turn off automatic start on boot. Once done, stop the VPN process or service from the app interface or system tray and verify the client shows disconnected. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi password or Ethernet ready to reconnect when the network settings switch. Now you remove lingering configurations. Open network settings and delete any VPN profiles or network adapters tied to the VPN. Then check proxy and DNS sections and set them to automatic or your ISP default so traffic stops routing through VPN servers. If you enabled VPN on your router, log into the router admin, disable the VPN client/service, and restore router WAN settings. After making these changes, reboot your device and router to ensure the new network path takes effect. Finish by verifying your public IP and geolocation no longer reflect the VPN. Use a quick IP check to confirm. Re-enable firewall and any privacy or split tunnel rules you need, and update saved networks with correct credentials. If connections fail, flush DNS and renew the IP. On Windows, use ipconfig/flushdns and /renew. On Mac OS, use discontinue and renew DHCP. If problems persist, reinstall network driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.